Hi, I'm going to show you how to make cool brick photos of your minifigures outside. Let's get started. We are gonna try to bring stuff inside. If going outside and doing it outside is too inconvenient or hard for you, so let's go find material. So first you have to find some materials. Like if you wanted to grab this branch, a few twigs, like that, and then you have to find your materials and then take them inside. Okay, now after you've gotten your materials outside, you're going to want to first start off with like a base plate. It can be thin, it can be fat, it's just whatever you want. So for me, I'm going to use a green big base plate. That's what I call it. I'm going to use this to display my characters. So go ahead and grab your stuff you've gathered from outside. For me, I'm going to use this big leafy thing. So I'm just going to display it like that. Like this. Just move it around as what you want it to look like. Like this. After you've gotten it to where you want it to look, you have two choices. You can use the base plate, or you can just go ahead and put your character in. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with, and then the exact same character without. So choose a character. I'm going to use, let's see here. I'm going to use Ray. So this is first with. This is without the base plate. And then with the base plate, it's not that much different. It's easier to position them. It's gonna show up more. Like that. And get creative with it. You can use anything to capture this. I'm gonna use my phone. When you're filming it, when you're taking pictures though, you're going to want to put the picture thing on the bottom and it has way better picture quality. You can use many more elements like rocks, dusts, more plants, but you can also use other Legos. It's like right here, I'm going to put in a X-Wing to make it look like they are in a jungle and they've just landed. See, it's going to look, the more creative you get, the cooler it goes. You can even make battle scenes or use them to make really intense pictures. Like, you can use a stormtrooper and a Jedi. You can make them look as intense as you want. Like, I'm going to show you a few I've done. You can mix and match all your materials all you want, but make sure it's not too much or it takes away from the picture. Like these. You only have to do it one way. You can change the direction and it will give it a whole new look.